another video. I hope you're having an amazing day so far. And if you are here for the first time, hello, myself Gatha, and I make videos about study, productivity, lifestyle, and much more. So if you are interested in any of those videos, consider clicking the subscribe button down below and press the bell icon so you'll be the first to know whenever I post a new video. So it is the second episode of our new series, which is creating my dream life and you creating yours along the way. So today we are going to be making a digital vision board, and I know people make that at the start of the year whenever they just set up their goals and resolutions, but I missed it, and I think that is totally fine if we make that now. I hope so. So I will be making the vision board for the first time ever, and I'm very excited. And if you haven't made that, you can also make it as well. So now we will get started, and of course I will show you my process and all. So that's the video about. And now without making this intro long, let's get into the video. Let's go. Hello, so now that we are on the computer screen, so as you can tell, these are my goals and reflection for 2021. So we are gonna focus on the goals, and I have idea and I have planned out in my mind how I want my year to be. And for making a vision board, basically you will need Pinterest, Canva, it is the app which I'm gonna be using, and some internet. That's all you need to make a digital vision board. So I'm just gonna go to Pinterest real quick. Pinterest, there we go, and yeah, perfect. So I'm just gonna take some time, that can take an hour or so. So I'm just gonna sit down and find perfect pictures which I want to include in my vision board. So when finding pictures, keep in mind that those pictures should relate how you want to feel and how you overall you want to look at yourself and look at your life in the future, and your dream life should look like. So those pictures should match the thing. So that's all the purpose of making a vision board. And now you may see some time lapse of me finding some pictures. So I'm just gonna turn on some music and just chill for a bit and find some pictures. And this is my whole amazing process, just sitting and chilling thing. So let's go. I'm just talking too much. Welcome back. So it's me again, and I've spent some time finding amazing pictures related to my resolutions and my dream life, and I've successfully found them, and there are 27. So now it's time for us to actually make the vision board. So I have to take the screenshot of my screen so I know exactly how much ratio is there, and then we just go to canva.com, and yeah, we just do that. And then you have to create an account if you didn't have one, but I have. Then we go to create a design, and after that we click on edit photo, and we choose the screenshot of the desktop or the screen. And now I will just wait for that to upload, and then I will see you. So now my image is uploaded, and I will click on edit image. So don't click on using design, click on edit image, and then it just opens this up, and the ratio is here, the ratio we want. And now we are just waiting for the images to upload. So what I'm gonna do is just select all of those pictures, they are 27, and drag them in the software. So I'm just gonna wait for that to upload, and then I will see you. Hello, it's me again, and now it is the time for time lapse because I'm gonna arrange all of those pictures and yeah, just see the time lapse. I hope you love it, so let's go. Hello, it's me again, and please ignore the sun because this happens every time I'm shooting. The sun will be there and yeah, like that. Never mind. So the thing is that I am very happy how my vision board has turned out. This is so amazing. So the last thing which is left is to go there, download that and set that as the background image, so I will see that every day. So we go as download and we go here and set this as a background image. So let's see how that turns out. Oh my god, this is fantastic. I love it. This looks perfect to me. So there are quotes like dream big, work hard and make it happen. So as you can notice there, I've changed the middle quote because I didn't like the font, but yeah, this is my dream life. Nothing too crazy, but this is amazing. I really loved the process of making this, and I hope you're making that too because this is amazing. I love it. And yeah, so this was it for today's video. So for making the vision board, grab all of those images and just like make a collage out of that. So that is what vision board is. And I hope you found this video helpful, and I really enjoyed making the vision board. And this was the second episode. And would you guys like to see Minecraft videos? Because I love playing Minecraft, and I was thinking if I could make Minecraft videos and you guys can watch that if you want. Please let me know. I'm looking for advice that should I make Minecraft videos or not. If you guys love watching that, I will definitely make some because I love playing games, and I play sometimes, as you can tell, as my computer screen that has Minecraft. So that is the thing. Please let me know in the comment section below. And till then, keep smiling, have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!